Dr. Budwig was born in Germany in 1908. She passed away in 2003 at the age of 95. She was referred to as the top European cancer research scientist, biochemist, blood specialist, German pharmacologist, and physicist. Dr. Budwig was a 7-time Nobel Prize nominee. Her research has shown that the tremendous effects that commercially processed fats and oils have in destroying cell membranes and lowering the voltage in the cells of our bodies, which then results in chronic and terminal disease. We are all aware of how fats clog up our veins and arteries and are leading causes of heart attacks, but we never look beyond the end of our noses to see how these very dangerous fats and oils are affecting our overall health of our minds and bodies at the cellular level. Without the proper metabolism of fats in our bodies, every vital function of every organ is affected. This includes the generation of new cells. Our bodies produce over 500 million cells daily. During the cell division, the cell and the new daughter cell must contain enough electron-rich fatty acids in the cell's surface area to divide off completely from the old cell. When this process is interrupted, the body begins to die. In essence, these commercially processed fats and oils are allowing chronic and terminal diseases to take a hold of our bodies. A very good example would be tumors. Dr. Budwig noted that the formation of tumors usually happens as follows. In those body areas which normally host many growth processes such as the skin and membranes, the liver and pancreas, or the glands in the stomach, and the intestinal tract, it is here that the growth processes are brought to a standstill. Because the dipolarity is missing due to lack of electron-rich, highly unsaturated fat, the course of the growth is disturbed. The surface active fats are not present, the substances become inactive before maturing and shedding process of the cells ever takes place, which results in the formation of tumors. She pointed out that this can be reversed by providing the simple foods such as cottage cheese and flaxseed oil, which revises the stagnated growth processes. This naturally causes the tumor or tumors present to dissolve, and the whole range of symptoms which indicate a dead battery are cured. Dr. Budwig did not believe in the use of growth-inhibiting treatments such as chemotherapy or radiation. She was quoted as saying, "I flat declare that the usual hospital treatments today, in a case of tumorous growth, most certainly leads to the worsening of the disease or the speedier death in healthy people, and can quickly cause cancer." Dr. Budwig discovered that when she combined flaxseed oil and its powerful healing nature of essential electron-rich unsaturated fats and cottage cheese and the rich in sulfur protein, the chemical reaction produced makes oil and water soluble and easily absorbed into the cell membrane. This diet program is very practical and can be easily combined with and integrated with juicing and genotype diet.
My name is James, and I decided about a month and a half ago that I needed to start taking better care of myself, lose some weight, and I've been a vegetarian for about 30 years, but just being a vegetarian doesn't necessarily mean that you're eating healthy. A lot of vegetarians eat a lot of processed foods and simple carbohydrates. And I came in to see Dr. Dong, and she had suggested at the Alternative Health Clinic here, and she suggested the Budwig diet. And since I've been on this diet, I've lost about 14 pounds. I've got a lot more energy than I've had, and I've been trying to lose some weight for 3, 4, 5 years. You get to be in your 50s and you start thinking about that kind of stuff, and this has been pretty amazing actually, how well I feel since I've been on this diet that she suggested.